Hello guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about one of the Java 8 future optional. In Java 8, Java introduced many features and in that optional is a special one because optional is a public finite class and it is used to deal with null pointer exception in Java application. As a real-time developer, I have wasted so much of time with dealing with this null pointer exception because we cannot predict when we will get this null pointer exception, and when we execute our application and test it, so much of our time will be wasted while dealing with this null pointer exception. After I started using this optional, it saves lot of time to me, like when I have encountered null pointer exception. Okay, and let's declare some optional of string reference. Okay, sorry, let's do one thing. First of all, I want to declare a string array of size 10. Okay, now I was declaring it string array equal to new string of size 10. Okay, and first of all, let's comment below thing, and now I want to just declare the reference for the string array. Okay, first I will show you a scenario where we will get a null pointer exception. Okay, now what I want to do means I want to print some string in with some index 1, like let's assume like I don't have data in that and I am trying to print that uppercase. Okay, now I am getting the null pointer exception because just assume like I don't know, like I don't know, like it is not having any data and I was trying to print the uppercase of string with index 1. Okay, string array with index 1, so I got that exception. Now I will help you, like I will show you how we can deal with exception using this optional. Okay, and now I was using this of nullable method. Here I was declaring that string 1. Okay, string array with index 1. Now I was using this is present method. Okay, let's print our data here. Once it is executed, I will show you what is this present and all. Okay, I will explain you. Yep, now I want to just you print it to uppercase. Let's comment this upper one like system.out.println. Let's execute our application. If you observe, I don't get an exception because is present. What it will do means it will allow inside the if condition if the data is there in this st reference variable. Okay, means it will helping us in encountering this null pointer exception, so it will save over a lot of time. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's declare some data in that array with that index 1. Now let's try to run our application. Let's see like it get data or something. And another thing also, we have get method here. Okay, means there is no need like we have to print the data based on index only. Once it get inside, we can use that get method also. If you observe in the console, the caps letter is printed. Okay, let's comment it and I want to show another thing you. Okay, and now what I want to do means I want to use if else kind of something. Okay, it's not if else thing, but it's similar to it. Now I will use that. Please observe that. What I want to do means like just I want to print something if data is not there in that particular string index. Okay, let's start implementing it. And now what I have done means I have commented my string array 1 index 1. Here if you observe, I was printing some dummy message. Okay, I think so you guys can understand what I am doing. What I have done means if data is not there, print some dummy message. Okay, means it's like some if else condition. Without writing that if condition, we can do like this. Okay, inside that or else we can give any message, not only some dummy message, you can give some demo also. If you observe, I have given demo, now it will print demo. Okay, like this also we can use this or else method in this optional. I think so you guys got it. Okay, and let's do one thing. And now I want to show you another scenario. We have something known as empty optional.empty in optional. Okay, optional finite class. It is nothing but whenever we initialize our reference with optional.empty, it always initializes our reference with empty only. Means optional.empty don't contain anything, it's a empty one. So whenever you use it and we use that or else one, it will always print the demo message, means because we don't have anything is in this optional.empty method. Okay, and next let's start using this optional.off method. Okay, here now what I want to do means, now I want to uncomment my string, and let's uncomment this one again. Okay, and let's comment at the below one. Now let's again run our application. If you observe, I was after using the optional.off method, I got the same output, but here we have some different kind of thing compared to this nullable one. Okay, here what is that means, we cannot counter this null pointer exception. Wait, if you observe when I was using this optional.off nullable, we can counter the null pointer exception, means we can skip them, but here we cannot skip them.